Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajelau Konrad ke Sangma ha kasi palai uloong ba ke jingya keren ha ke jingya kendu kidang ya chakmat halor keren san bathamai ka one north east batmu ban Wanrah lang ya kinong ya lamsan perthai bat ki pat ba nagi pratli ki Jylla Shatei lap Mihngi khnang ban ya keren ne ki mat jingya kendu pat ba bat ban kentiu ya ka jing roi ka than Konrad ke Sangma uloong ba ka jingya keren bat bun kinong ya lam ki Wanrah ya ka jubab ka babha hinrei dan ruk jing e kum ka jing e pher ka jing e dei san perthai kinong ya lam ba pau kerteng kum u pradgyot bikram manikya u mamhun lumo kikon bat u Daniel langthasa kila don ringkat bat u menteri rangba ha ka jing e la pat ba ya ka ni ka rinsan u menteri rangba u loong ba un sa shim ya ki rai ha ka por ka babyang da ka ba banjur ba kum kini ki jing thumu ki don kam ya ka por bat ka jing perkhat ka babanya
consulting and talking to many of our leaders, and the process of many of them coming to the party will and when working together and having some kind of a platform will happen. It is something that is very desirable. A lot of people have seen that there's a very positive into it, and for many years, and I should say decades, many political parties have tried to move on forward in that, and it's not been so easy. So it's part of one of the goals that we kind of set for ourselves. So we're trying to achieve something that has never been done before in one way. So it's not very simple, and there are obviously a lot of concerns, and then how will we work in one uniformity? What about different aspects of parties and their concerns? So all of this in the first 45 days, as we had said, we have discussed this, and we are moving forward. A lot of discussions taking place, but it would not be appropriate for me to share that with all of you right now because it's not been announced yet. So all I can tell you is that we are discussing with a lot of leaders, and a lot of excitement is there, and at the appropriate time we'll take the decisions. It's not like a foundation stone of a particular project that we can just simply say that it's going to happen 25th of January or 25th of thing. This is a process of different political minds coming together. It takes time. It's not so simple. So we will work towards it, but our intentions are clear, and we will work towards moving it forward.